This simple and easy egg recipe is a flavor bomb. You can have it as a side dish or alone with rice. All you need to do is boil your eggs for 6 minutes. I like to put salt and vinegar on my boiling water so the eggs are easier to peel. To make the marinade, combine sugar, water, soy sauce, garlic, green chili, red chili, chives, and sesame seeds. Submerge the eggs and leave to marinate for 6 hours in the fridge. You can store this for 5 to 7 days, so if you're running out of ulam ideas, this simple and easy egg recipe is a flavor bomb.
Nilibing natin sa lupa. Kami.